Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about density map using Tableau. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and learn what is density map first. Density map, also known as heat map, is a data visualization technique that represents the density or intensity of data point in a particular area. It uses color to show the concentration of data points, making it easier to identify the pattern, trend and outlier. The density map uses color gradient. Higher the density show with darker or more intense color, while lower densities are shown with lighter or less intense color. Density map also uses a spatial data point. For example, often used with a spatial data point to show the distribution of a data point across geographic areas such as population density, crime rates, or concentration of event in a specific locations. To understand how to create density map using Tableau, let us suppose we have a business scenario. You have a data set of hailstorm damage in a Minneapolis or Minnesota, and you want to find out which neighborhood have the most reported damage. Make the density map to show the street address of the reported damage. Adjust the color, intensity and size to clearly see the trend. So let's go to Tableau and let's connect with dataset. Here my dataset format is text in CSV file, so I am selecting here text file and let's select dataset. Here is the hailstorm dataset available in one of my folder. I will put this dataset in description box, and you can easily find this dataset in Google in Kaggle website. Okay, I will also put this link in description box so you can find and download and do practice with me. So let's open. Here you can see here dataset available in Tableau, and this is already in clean. So now go to here sheet 1, rename this hailstorm damage in Minneapolis, and you can see here the title. Go to here title and bold this. Okay, now choose here latitude to row self and longitude to column self, and you can see here this latitude and longitude use here scattered plot. You can also always put here latitude to in row self and longitude in column self. If you here clean this using this button and double click on this latitude and longitude, it's automatically goes to row self and column self respectively. Okay, now use here a street address and put this into drag into detail mark, and now go to here mark and select here density. Click on this color mark and go to here color and use here density multicolor light and adjust here intensity 50%. You can also use here density multicolor dark. This is not good for our example, so let's select here multicolor light. Okay, opacity 100%. So that is density map created. Now drag this neighborhood to tooltips and over here in dark color region, and you can see here the most damage area downtown west, and here is less damage area. You can see the trend. Okay, so in this video you learn how to create density map and visualize geocoded information by building density map, and how to customize it to reveal location trend according to number of overlapping data points. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.